two items of news that you may or may not have seen today that are just Orwellian in themselves. The first one, artificial intelligence is to be used to control beach capacities in Malaga's Fuengirola as Spain moves into COVID-19 de-escalation period. So Fuengirola will use sophisticated technology to track how many people are on its beaches once further coronavirus restrictions are lifted. The computer application, the first of its kind in Spain, has been presented by okay, I'll put the links in. It'll take me a couple of minutes to add the links into this. They're going to have a system of green, yellow and red. Green will indicate availability, yellow will signify that 75% capacity has been reached, red will alert that maximum capacity has been reached. So they're going to tell people how many people can be on their beaches. I mean, this is astonishing. Second piece of information today. Manchester police have started asking people to report conspiracy theorists who keep repeating so-called conspiracies. And I'll try and find the link to the video that I saw from that. So those two just, well, we all know what's going on, who's doing it, what the end result's going to be now. There can be no freedom ever after this. Nothing will get back to normal, but we all know this. So none of this is coming as a surprise. It's just these pieces of the jigsaw, slot, slot, slot. And when that jigsaw's completed, it will still be a boot on a human face forever. Cheers.